Police are investigating a three-car crash in peak traffic this morning. The incident happened just after 8 a.m. when three cars collided near the intersection of Gordon Road and Park Street in Mosgiel. The vehicles involved were a Honda Odyssey, a Honda Civic and a Toyota Hilux utility. No one was seriously injured in the crash, although 3 ambulance crews attended as a precaution. Police are still ascertaining how the crash happened. Morning commuters were disrupted by the incident for about an hour before the scene was cleared.